What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing. And I put that in quotations because, as you could see, the product is pretty much already unboxed and the box looks really ugly, but I'm gonna unbox it here anyway because I wanted to do a video on this and I promised that I would do a video on this particular case. So here we go. Here it is. Here's the case. Now, we're just gonna open this box. It came in this bag here. Of course, the wrapping was actually on the case, but it came in this little bag here, as you could see, and I'm gonna slide it out. Now, this is the Rhinoshield SolidSuit Case, and the reason why I'm excited for this case is because this is a custom case. So right here, I chose this phrase, change the game, because I believe in changing the game if you really want to accomplish something or whatever. And I wanted to put something inspirational behind it because also I'm into working out, so there's that. So let's put the case on the phone. All right, so I actually learned from my last video to not have the phone on when doing case installations because, well, if you do that, the phone's just going to turn on and off as you put the case on. So with that said, let's put this together. And it slides in a little bit hard right there, and you could see that it is on and it is nice and firm. So I'll just turn the phone on. OnePlus logo, because this is the OnePlus 8T. And yeah, you could see the room light is an old as heck light. All right, so as you could see, the case is on the phone right here. And as you could see, the camera is well protected by the case because the case comes up over the camera really well. So if you were to drop it down flat on its back, your camera would not be taking any hits at all, unless of course there's a rock or something, and in that case there's nothing that this case can do about it. And it's the same thing for the screen. So if you were to drop the screen on a flat surface, the screen would not get hit or anything like that because the case will be there to protect it. As you could see, it's got that lip protection right there. So if you were to drop it on a flat surface, again, will not take damage. But if there's a rock there, of course it's going to take damage because that's physics for you. Now, the notification slider on this thing, you could see that it doesn't actually let you touch the actual notification slider, but it has the slider mechanism on the case, so I could still go boom boom. Now I'm on silent. Now I could go back to ring. But my only gripe with that is that if, let's say, you're wearing tight jeans with a lot of stuff in your pocket and you pull the phone out, what's going to happen more than likely is that the phone is going to go into silent mode. And if it does, well, that's why. It's because you pulled the phone out with tight jeans and a lot of stuff in your pocket. So if you're wondering why, that's the reason. Anyway, everyone, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment and subscribe and press that notification bell as well. Also subscribe to all the social media links down below, as I will be using Twitch, I will be using Discord, and of course, I'm always on Twitter. But until then, I will see you in the next one. See ya, everybody.